Your kick sounds weak, and I know exactly why. It's not your gear, it's not your plugins. It's 3 fundamental mistakes that even big producers are making. So let me show you what's really going on. You've probably spent hours tweaking compressors, EQs, and effects, wondering why your kicks still don't hit like the pros. The truth is, you're trying to fix problems that start much earlier in the process. These 3 core issues affect every kick you make, whether you're making big room, techno, hybrid trap, or psytrance kicks. And until you understand them, no amount of mixing tricks will save your kicks. The first reason your kicks sound weak? They're the wrong length. Most producers make their kicks around 1/16th note, thinking shorter is cleaner. But here's what's actually happening. When your kick is too short, the sine wave doesn't have enough time to develop those crucial frequencies. It's rushing through the entire frequency range without letting the frequencies properly form. You're forcing the sine wave to travel through these frequencies too quickly. They pass by so fast, they never get the chance to properly develop or be heard. And when producers try to shorten kicks by fading the tail, they're removing the sub-frequencies, the 0 to 150 Hz, that gives your kick its weight. The physics are simple. Low frequencies need time to develop. Cut them short, and you lose all that power. The second reason is your pitch curve placement. Most producers just guess where to put their pitch points, creating random curves that don't follow any scientific principle. Your pitch curve needs specific transition points that divide the kick into its 3 essential parts: click, punch, and body. Place these points randomly, and your kick either sounds like a weak tap or an undefined boom. The timing of these transitions is mathematical, not arbitrary. When your first transition point is too late, you get too much click and harsh frequencies. Too early, and you lose that initial attack. Same with the second point. Wrong placement means your pitch either rushes to the sub-frequencies too fast, creating a soft kick, or travels too slowly, making it boomy and undefined. The third reason, and this is huge, your frequency balance is completely off. You're boosting and cutting with EQ based on guesswork, instead of understanding the spectral balance a kick needs. A professional kick has a specific relationship between its frequency zones. Too much energy in the high frequencies makes it harsh. Too little in the low mids means no punch. When your subs dominate without enough presence in the other frequency ranges, your kick loses definition and clarity. Most producers boost the lows thinking it'll add power, but without the right balance across all frequencies, you're just eating up headroom. It's not about having more bass, it's about having the right amount of each frequency range relative to the others. But here's what makes this worse. These 3 problems compound each other. A kick that's too short can't develop proper frequencies no matter how you EQ it. A bad pitch curve means certain frequencies are emphasized at the wrong times. And poor frequency balance makes everything sound amateur regardless of length or pitch. When all 3 issues are present, which is common, you either get that weak, undefined kick that disappears in the mix, or you get a harsh, boomy mess that overpowers your track without actually hitting properly. You can compress it, distort it, layer it all you want, but you're just processing problems on top of problems. But here's the thing, that pitch curve issue, it's actually way simpler to fix than you think. And if you want to know exactly how to tune your pitch curve, then hit subscribe. Because in the next video, I'm revealing the 4-point method that controls every kick. And it's easier than you would imagine.